Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use TikTok photo mode easy. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now tap this plus icon here. And as you can see, TikTok has this new feature here, photo. So before, we cannot see this option. We can't see this feature. So all you have to do is to click this circle button here to capture an image, or you can also upload a picture. So for me, I want to upload a picture. Okay, so import the picture from your gallery. And then what you're going to do here is to simply add some music if you want or sound. You just have to scroll down and look for the specific music or sound that you want to add. Okay. And then once done, if you can see on the right side, we have different features here. You can add text, stickers, effects, filters. You can add voiceover, you can trim, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. Now, if you tap next, you can now add some captions to your photo, or you could go back if you want to edit more. You can tag people here. You have this content disclosure. You can add location, you can add link, you can save this to your draft, and you can also set this post to public or private. And then once done, all you have to do is to click post. And that's how easy it is to use TikTok photo mode. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.